Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix NW2-5 error on smart TV. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and find the settings section on your TV and then check the internet connection. Okay, just like what I'm doing here, I'm going to go ahead and find the Wi-Fi section. Now, in here, you can go ahead and try turning it off, then back on again, okay? Once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still will work, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or even hotspot on your phone if you do have a hotspot, okay? Once that's done, once you're connected to a different internet, you can go ahead and check if it helps, okay? Now, if those things doesn't help, you can go ahead and turn off the TV. If it got a power button, then unplug it, okay? Once done, you can go ahead and find the power button. This is usually located at the bottom of your TV or the sides. Find it, then hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And once done, plug everything back in again and turn it on, okay? After that, go ahead and check if it helps, okay? Now, if that still won't work, you can do the same on your router, okay? Power off your router if it got a power button, then unplug it. Once unplugged, you can go ahead and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds again. And once done, plug the power and then go ahead and turn it on, and that should fix the issue, okay? That's how you fix the Netflix NW2-5 error on your smart TV. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.